Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I will show you how to fix 2xko not launching on PC, including startup failure and black screen issues.
Fix 1. Run as administrator. Step 1. Right. Click the 2xko shortcut or X file. Step 2. Select Run as administrator. Step 3. Check if the game launches properly. Fix 2. Update graphics drivers. Step 1. Open Device Manager. Step 2. Expand display adapters. Step 3. Right. Click your GPU update driver. Search automatically. Step 4. Restart PC and launch the game. Fix 3. Verify game files. If using Steam, Epic. Step 1. Open your game launcher. Step 2. Go to Library and right. Click to Xcode Properties. Step 3. Click Verify integrity of game files. Step 4. Wait for scan to finish. Then start the game. Fix 4. Disable full screen optimization. Step 1. Right. Click to XKOX Properties. Step 2. Go to Compatibility tab. Step 3. Check Disable Full Screen Optimizations. Click Apply. Step 4. Launch the game.